Hi there, it's Maureen with Katy Home Organizer, and I am here to answer the questions that people have asked the organizer. This month we're focusing on the garage. It's March and it's garage month to me. And the first question I have is, somebody asked me about paint. What do you do with your old paint when you don't want it anymore? Well, I have the answer. There's two things you can do. Well, the first thing is, if it's latex paint, try to dry it out yourself. You can take the lid off. It depends on how much is left in the can as to how long it's going to take to dry. You can put kitty litter in it or sawdust in it to help dry faster and help it harden. And once it's all dry and hard, you can then just put it in your trash, but not until it's all dried up. So that's one thing you can do. But if it's oil-based paint, you can use it up. That could just be painting on anything. It doesn't matter what it is. Well, something you don't want, or maybe something you do want. Just use it up. And then you can just throw away the can. But if you don't want to use it up, and that's not going to work for you, and I can understand why that wouldn't work for you, then it really needs to be disposed of properly at a hazardous waste center. Here in Houston, Texas, I live in Katy. There are, I'm actually in Harris County where I live, but Fort Bend County is really close by. So I'm going to provide links for you on where to take your hazardous waste, which would be your oil-based paint. And by the way, you can take your latex paint as well. But the oil-based paint needs to be taken to, if you're in Harris County, it needs to go to the Environmental Service Center. And then if you're in Fort Bend County, it needs to go to the Recycling Center, and it's also called HWW. But either way, the links are going to be provided. If you're seeing this on Facebook, it's probably going to be best to go to the YouTube channel to find the links, but otherwise you can just look it up on the internet. Okay, that's it. Just wanted to make it short and sweet. That is what you do with your old paints. And if you have any questions that you want to ask the organizer, just let me know. Email me at hello@katyhomeorganizer.com. Have a great day.